Or as Anthony calls it, cat fight.
You're running. You silly. You have a weapon in your celebrate.
You say nice out. I bet. Wait a minute.
Piggy.
Come on. Where you going? Where you going?
I've been trying to break his piggy.
Going.
Yesterday.
Where you going? Overpowered with one pinky, kid. Where you going?
Oh, hello.
Is it still recording?
Yes. Don't kill me! Anthony, go.
As you can see, Gary is a big
Wimp? Wimp?
Yeah.
Wimp. He's strong. He's weak. Weak.
Beast, little kid.
Weak.
Who's that?
I'm 106 and he's 175.
Who's that song?
Oh, you're headstrong. Get down there. Stay down there.
Here I come. Here I come. Here I come.
This is gonna be on YouTube.
Here I come.
That's my big strong brother and my little yet strong cousin.
I'm just gonna keep pushing his sound.
His mouth is strong.
What? Come here.
Don't leave him alone. He's just...
That's it. Eat ass.
There you go.
That's it. Eat ass.
It's gonna gang.
Step your listening game up there, kid.
Shut up.
Step your listening
Shut
game
up.
up there, kid.
And cool.
He's cool.
Shut up.
Wow, you're real. She's talking me over.
You need to shut
What if
up.
I throw her at you?
Don't move.
What if I just pick her up and like hunt you down like, yeah,
No,
we
he
do that?
can't pick me up.
No.
Earlier he picked me up and he was... Do it right now. Do it right now. What side do you want?
I love you. No, I love you. You don't make me hurt you.
And... Don't kill me!
What? What was you saying? Matter of fact, give me my money. Run your pockets, kid. Run your pockets.
You're so dead! Get down there!
He's up. He's alive. Oh, I'm scared. No, as a matter of fact, I know karate. I guess I used to go karate. So I used to go karate.
Don't kill him! Dude, you could break the house! Hey, you just moved... You just moved in yesterday, don't break the house.
He taps. Nah. Where's Roger?
Anyway,
Yeah, he's a girl. He just got out of prison. I just kicked his butt.
Hi, Nick! Say goodbye.
Goodbye. It's just a finger. I'm tired again.